How to get angel or devil filter on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get angel or devil filter on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application on your phone, tap on post, tap on effect, and this filter is trading right now. If you didn't find, this is the filter. If you didn't find the filter on your trading effects, all you gonna do is go back and tap on discover, click on search, tap and now choose one of those videos and there is a filter named good or bad. Tap on there and you have a lot of videos. You can watch these videos for learn how you gonna record your video. And if you wanna try this effect, tap on try this, and this is it. Start recording and post your video. So guys, this is how you get this filter. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.